Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Coral and I am part of the Miller family. And today I'm going to be showing you all of our animals. The first animal, Cutie, our cat, well, it's Braden's cat. She's very cute.
I take care of her.
Yep. And then, I give her food. She has a white tip on the end of her tail. She's very snuggly. And this morning she actually went on a walk with me and someone else, which I will be showing you next. Okay, when you come outside, the next animal is Buttercup, our puppy. Well, she's not a puppy, she's full grown. She is 80% Jack Russell, 20% Fox Terrier. Buttercup, come here! Come here, Buttercup! Oh, she has her bone. You silly goose. She's very playful. She's just a ball of energy. Okay, guys. Next is our chickens. I have a little bit of slop for them. Okay, so this is Chuckles. This is Penguin. We have 4 of these big white chickens, and we don't name them because we can't tell them apart. This is Dusk, Morning Sunshine, Midnight. They were siblings, and so I named them like all names that fit together. And then this is Prince. He's our full-grown Banty hen rooster, and this one is not full-grown yet. All the chickens with names are Banty hens. And then there's Isa Brown. So Isa Brown is a kind of chicken, and she looks like one, so I named her Isa Brown. So, oh, good job, Penguin. So that's our chickens. Yes, they like crowing, and they also enjoy this slop. So yeah, that's our chickens. Guys, Lucy came. Hi, Lucy. So this is our cat, Lucy. She has had 2 litters of kittens. The first litter, she had 6 kittens, which is like, it's not very normal. But they were super fun. So that's Lucy. She wants to go inside. Well, I'm not going inside yet. Silly goose. So this is the inside place for the chickens. This is where they have their food trough, and they sleep over here. Well, the big chickens sleep over here, and some of the Banty hens, and then some of the other Banty hens sleep up here. So, and then they have vents, like so it doesn't, you don't want your chicken pen all closed in because that can create moisture, which is not good in the winter. So yeah, this is their inside place. They're outside right now. Oh my gosh, Prince! That wasn't nice! I'm going to have to hold them for that. He got me. You know, he used to be really sweet, and he used to just sit on my shoulder. He would cuddle with me, and I would just hold him and pet him. He would fall asleep in my arms. It's sad when they grow up because they get just so defensive for their ladies. And so if you come close to their ladies, they just think, gotta attack. What is Buttercup doing? Silly dog. Lucy was in the chicken coop. She gets in somehow. I don't know how, but she does. So this is where they lay their eggs. Lucy! She's very much so a climber. Hey, girl. She likes pets, but she does not like held. Or put outside when she's inside. If you watched our other video, you know that. Here is my cat, Callie. Hi, girl. She's super sweet. Come on, girl, let's go sit down. Come here. Hi. Aww. So yeah, her name is Callie, and she's my cat. Lucy is James's cat. She's the sweetest thing. I love her so much. Hi, baby. So all of our cats are outside cats, but we do let them inside to snuggle with. Aw. Hi, girl. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi. Hi, baby. Aw. She's very sweet. She's purring. Guys, Lucy just jumped up from down there. Hi, Lucy. Come here. Hello. You want some love too? Hi. Oh, and Cutie. So, first litter of kittens, Cutie was actually one of them. And we kept that one. We sold the others. So, yeah, we have 3 cats, 1 dog, 11 chickens, and there is 1 more animal that I will be showing you soon. Not yet. Oh my gosh. Lucy, don't get hurt. Look. Kelly, can you get off me? I want to show them something. It's not focusing. There we go. So down there, it's a big drop to cement. And here's this little kitty just up out here chilling. They don't like each other very much. That's okay. Oh, okay. We're grumpy right now. Well, at least my cat isn't grumpy right now. She's never really grumpy. So cute. Bye, guys. Oh, okay. Bye, Buttercup. Bye, baby. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Bye. The last animal is our turtle, Explorer. He is a yellow belly slider. He's very cute. In the winters, we don't take him outside, of course, because it's too cold. But in the summers, we take him outside, and if we have a kiddie pool that has like no chlorine or anything like that, he will let him swim in it. So yeah, that is all of our animals. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.